we all feel this tremendous pace of change. I think we all feel that we're living through something, a fundamental shift in what's possible because of new technological horizons.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this Workforce Newsroom special report. I'm Casera Weinrich, and I'm thrilled to lead today's discussion on generative AI and its potential to revolutionize the world of work. With us today are experts leading the way on this very topic. Please welcome ADP Global Chief Privacy Officer, Jason Albert, Vice President and Managing Counsel, Elena Almeida, and Chief Data Officer, Amin Vanjara. Thank you all for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you. So I want to start by addressing the pace of change. Artificial intelligence has been around for decades, yet generative AI has really spurred a rapid wave of innovation. And so, Amin, what would you say to organizations that may feel left behind?
I'd say you're not alone. I think we all feel this tremendous pace of change. And I think we all feel that we're living through something, a fundamental shift in what's possible because of new technological horizons. But I'd also say, look, this workforce is resilient. All right? We have 5 generations in the workforce right now. We've seen many technological shifts. We've seen the PC come into the workforce, internet, mobile, social media, and now this is just another technological change. So what I think about is really in the long term, agility is what's going to win in the long term. The question is not what's going to happen with the technology, but how do we choose to interact with it? How do we use and take advantage of the moments that we have? And the other thing is really, with any technology, we can get caught up in what the technology can do, but at the end of the day, what we're trying to achieve in our organizations remains the same. So focus on the outcomes, attracting talent, maximizing your attention, controlling your costs, and being compliant. Focus on the outcomes and see what technology can do to help make that possible.
Amazing. And Elena, so to that point, thoughts on guiding people as they adapt to AI?
Yeah, it's, what Amin said is totally true. I think a lot of people feel like they're very left behind. They feel like this AI revolution has come and that they're still at the starting line. And I like to tell the employers that I speak with, you're not alone, as Amin said, but also don't feel like you need to go from, zero with no AI to a completely AI-powered workforce. I mean, that's not at all what's going on. We need to talk about kind of incremental change and managing change expectations, both from a business perspective, but also from the employees who have to get used to using a new technology that in some cases they feel like they don't fully understand. So what I worry about actually is that people feel left behind and then they get paralyzed, right? So they're like, I can't start. And I would say, yes, you can start. Pick that one initiative that you think is going to make a big difference to your employees, to your workforce, and explore that. Nobody says you need to have everything AI powered right away. Just talk to your employees, figure out how you can make that one change and get started, because you're definitely not left behind.
Thank you, Elena. Jason, what are your thoughts?
Well, look, innovation comes in waves. If we look across the payroll and HCM industry, we started out with mainframes, and then we went to PCs, and then we had servers into the cloud, and now we have AI. And with all of those, there's always the question about how do you get value out of them, and people adopt them when they see the value, when they see they can do payroll more accurately, when they see that they can enable better management of their workforces. And so when you think about AI, it's all about achieving that value. But there's something else that's important, and that's trust, because people will only use technologies that they trust. So it's important to take steps to have a responsible governance and compliance program to build that trust so that people are willing to adopt those technologies, are willing to have their data used to power those technologies. So together with value and trust, we can realize the benefits of AI.